Inside the Ada County Courthouse through Tuesday, potential jurors are going to be filling out questionnaires ahead of the official jury selection process for the trial of Lori Vallow Daybell. Now, this is a complicated and convoluted case with a long list of characters and a timeline that spans several years. So here's a look back at some of the key people and dates that we are sure to hear more about as experts and witnesses take the stand in the coming weeks. Lori Vallow Daybell is on trial for murder. The Eastern Idaho mom is accused of killing her two children, J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, and conspiring to kill her husband's previous wife, Tammy Daybell, in 2019. The couple was set to stand trial together until earlier this month. Chad Daybell long ago waived his right to a speedy trial, his attorney repeatedly requesting their cases be separated to allow them more time to go over the immense amount of evidence in the case, some only shared with them last month. We've been following the story since December 2019. That's when Rexburg police first declared 17-year-old Tylee Ryan and 7-year-old J.J. Vallow missing. Concerned family members asked for a welfare check that November, and neither child had been seen or heard from since September.
I was like, we are so worried about JJ.
It wasn't long before we learned their mother Lori was in Hawaii with her new husband Chad Daybell. His previous wife Tammy died just weeks earlier. Investigators later deeming her death suspicious, exhuming her body for an autopsy. In late January 2020, police ordered the Idaho mom to produce her children within 5 days. She did not comply. Within a month, Lori was arrested in Hawaii. She was flown back to Idaho and booked into the Madison County Jail, at first for desertion and obstruction-related charges for not complying with the court's order. It wasn't until June 2020 the children's deaths were ultimately confirmed. On June 9th, a search warrant served at Chad Daybell's Salem property turned up two bodies quickly confirmed to be JJ and Tylee buried in the Daybell family's pet cemetery. Chad is arrested, initially charged with concealing evidence, but by the following May, a grand jury indicts the couple on murder charges.
Lori and Chad Daybell were also indicted on 2 counts of first-degree murder in the deaths of Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow.
A few weeks later, a mental health evaluation determined Lori was incompetent to stand trial, essentially putting the case on pause for almost a year. After officials ruled her competent to proceed, in April of 2022, Lori was formally arraigned on multiple first-degree murder charges, accused of planning the murders of JJ, Tylee, and Tammy, alongside Chad Daybell and her brother Alex Cox, who also died in late 2019. The couple has been in and out of the Fremont County Courthouse for countless hearings since then, but in October 2021, Judge Stephen Boyce ruled the trials will be held in Ada County. The defendant faced the death penalty up until just last week when Judge Boyce ruled to take capital punishment off the table in response to the state's delay in sharing discovery with the defense. A jury will now just decide if Lori Vallow Daybell is guilty or not guilty. If convicted, sentencing will be left to the judge. Now, by this time next week, we will be inside the courthouse as the trial officially gets underway. First up, finalizing the jury. Now, portions of that process are going to be closed to the public, and a reminder that no cameras are allowed inside the courtroom. Anyone who wants to attend the trial, media included, needs to submit a request online in advance every day, and this trial is expected to last several weeks. Reporting at the Ada County Courthouse, I'm Karen Lair.